Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like something's off with your home, even though you've put in a lot of effort? It could be that a few design mistakes are holding your space back from looking its best. We've all been there, scrolling through Pinterest, saving images of beautifully designed rooms and thinking, I can totally recreate this. But sometimes, it's easy to make small design mistakes that mess up the entire vibe of your space. The challenge is avoiding those common design errors that can add up quickly. Whether you're an experienced decorator or a DIY enthusiast, it's easy to get carried away with trends and overlook the details that really matter. We've all made the mistake of thinking one more decorative piece won't hurt, but it can quickly turn into a design disaster. So, how do you create a beautiful and cohesive space? It's all about thinking through your style, the overall vibe, and, of course, avoiding some common mistakes. Today, we're going to talk about 5 design mistakes that could be killing your home's aesthetic and how to fix them. Let's get started. Overlooking negative space. Negative space, or the empty areas around objects, is a vital part of design that often gets ignored. Too many pieces of furniture or decor can create clutter and overwhelm the space. Embrace the beauty of empty space. Allow breathing room between furniture, walls, and decor. A well-placed piece of art or a statement chair in an otherwise minimal space can create balance and allow the eye to rest. Underestimating the power of textural contrast. A room full of the same textures can feel monotonous, while a lack of texture can make a space feel flat and uninspiring. Introduce a variety of textures to create depth and interest. Pair hard surfaces, like glass, metal, or stone, with soft materials, like fabric, velvet, or wood. A velvet sofa, leather chairs, and a woven rug can create a dynamic mix that feels rich and inviting. Overuse of bold or trendy colors. Bold and trendy colors can look fantastic, but too much of them can create a chaotic atmosphere. Additionally, trends can fade, and what's in style today might not be as appealing in a few years. Use bold colors sparingly, opting for accent walls or accessories like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork. Stick to more neutral or timeless tones for larger furniture pieces and walls to ensure the space remains versatile and enjoyable long-term. Focusing only on the centerpiece. Often, homeowners focus too much on creating a stunning centerpiece, a large coffee table, and impressive artwork, but neglect the surrounding details. Balance your design by paying attention to the smaller elements. Accent pieces, throw pillows, wall sconces, and plants work together to create a harmonious space. It's the little touches that pull everything together and make the centerpiece shine. Neglecting the power of natural light. A common mistake is covering up windows with heavy curtains or blinds that block out natural light, not realizing how crucial sunlight is to the overall feel of a room. To fully embrace the beauty of natural light, go for light, sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to flood the room. Add mirrors or reflective surfaces strategically to bounce light around the space, creating a brighter, more open atmosphere. Let your space glow with the power of daylight. And there you have it, 5 design mistakes that might be killing your home's aesthetic, and simple fixes to make your space feel more polished and functional. Remember, your home should reflect your style and be a space you love living in. So, take a step back, see what's working, and make small adjustments. Trust me, you'll see the difference. If you liked these tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. And if you're ready to take your home's aesthetic to the next level, check out the link in the description to try Foyer Neo with a 14-day free trial. It's an amazing design tool that can help bring your vision to life with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!